Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the chart. So this graph is basically overlaid on two charts which are on the back side. One is horizontal, one is showing the horizontal axis on the zero, and the second one is on the left side. So let me show you how to edit those if you need to. So this graph is basically grouped with all these objects. So what you need to do, right click on it. First, single click on it. Let me click outside of it. Then single click, you will see the white dot corner. Right click on it, and here you should see the group option. If it is not grouped, it means the objects are not grouped. If those will be grouped, you will be able to see the group option anywhere and if you will navigate on it, you will see the ungroup option in here. So it's good that it's already ungrouped. Now, if you will click on this, you will not be able to select the axis chart, the next chart, because the larger chart, the bigger chart is on the top. So what you need to do, click outside, click on the graph, right click on it and send it to back. Now, once you will click outside and then click on the scale, now you will be able to see the chart. Once you are done with it, it's good to again click outside of the chart, click on it and then right click and bring it to front so that you will be able to see the main chart on the front, and these will not get affected by clicking unintentionally. Similarly for this one, this chart is also on the back side of the main chart. So if you want to navigate to it or you want to have some changes on it, you can right click on the main chart, sorry, click outside of the chart, click on the chart. Okay, let me go to the bottom or top, the white area. Click outside the chart, click on chart, right click, send to back. Now scroll up, go to the middle chart, and if you will click outside and then click again on the scale, you will be able to select the middle scale. Similarly, as we have sent to back the main chart, so you will also be able to select the vertical secondary scale. Now, once you are done with it, again click outside, click on the chart, white area, right click on it, and bring it to front. Now, how to group all of these charts and the objects all together? So, click on the chart or any object on the file, go to the format. Here you will see the selection pane. Click on it. Here you can see all the available objects. Now click on any of those in any order, doesn't matter. Click on the any of the object, press Control and hold it. Click on the other one and all. So I have selected all of these. Now I can see the dots on the vertical scale on the leftmost, the larger scale on this one as well. So it means all of these are selected, including this white box. Though we don't need it, we can delete it. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll right click on any of the dot just to make sure that I'm clicking on the right side, right thing, group, and click on the group. That's it. Sorry, group, and that's it. It's clicked. It's grouped now. Let me delete the rectangle is here. So I'll click on it. You will see this is got selected. I'll press delete, and that's it. So we have three charts, and all of these are grouped now. Now, the last thing again. Go outside the chart, click on the chart, right click on it, you will see its group. Now you can click on this to get ungroup and then send back the main chart and then edit the access scales. Then again, bring to front the main chart. So it's the summary. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance, how to deal with the charts and other things. Thank you.